so I had this pop up on my truck today, or actually yesterday, just haven't had time to do it. So that's what we're going to be doing today, although this was going to be a different video for you guys, and I'll get more into that in a minute. All right, so first off, this is what I like to do. I like to remove the oil cap first. Take that off, get that out the way. Next, you're going to want to get under your truck. You're going to want to find the oil pan, and there's the oil pan right there. So you're going to see that bolt right here. You're going to undo this bolt right here. I just like to use my impact. It's a little bit quicker. Now, when you're putting this back together, you bolt it back up. Do not use the impact. I just like to loosen it. There we go right there. It's already loose. And be careful because oil will come splashing down. So you just want to be careful on this part right here. And try not to drop the bolt into the pan, because that would suck. So there you go right there. Get all that oil out of there. And we're going to let that drip out right there. And then I'm going to clean my hand. Alright, so there it goes. It's coming out. Alright, once you're done with that, you're going to want to come around and you're going to want to remove and replace your oil filter. And that's going to be it right there. Right there. So we're going to take that off. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Alright, so you can see we still got a steady little drip right there. But that should be fine. Probably let it drip for a little bit longer, maybe about another 5 more minutes. The next thing you want to do is you're going to want to get underneath your truck, right here in the front, and that is your oil filter right there. So we're going to remove that. I'm going to wait for this drip to stop. There it goes. It's a little bit better. So I'm going to move this pan up here. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to twist this cap. Oh, I don't know if I can do it. It's pretty tight. I usually don't put these on that tight. There we go. All right. So I'm going to back up a little bit because there may be oil in there, so it may come out. So we're going to, there it is right there. Oh, not missing it. Yep. So there we go. So I'm just going to pull this out all the way. There we go. I'm just going to set that in here. And there's that. And I did remove my air dam on my truck. I saw it useless, pointless. So I took that air dam off. So, plus I got a 3-inch level kit. But, and I'm on a creeper, so. Alright, let's move on next to the next step. We're going to let that drip for a while. Looks like I'm missing a puddle back there. Alright, so once it's all done dripping and all that, I just wipe underneath here. Just to ensure there's no drips or leaks or anything like that. See a little bit of oil coming out right there. So I'm going to wipe that down. Get this bolt back in there. I'm going to hand tighten it down. Going to wipe around there again one more time. Let me see. Then I'm just going to crank her down a little bit. Let me switch hands. A little difficult. Got the camera in one hand and trying to do this with the other. Should grab my extender. I think we're loosening. Alright, I'm just going to crank her down one more time real quick, a little tighter. I have to put the camera down. Alright, there we go. Alright, so I've got that up there. I'm going to wipe it down again, just to ensure we don't have any leaks or anything like that, so I know everything's dry. Once I go to plug everything back up and start filling it up again, I'm going to come back and recheck this, make sure we're all good. Alright, once you're done with that, I like to get a little bit of oil. I put a little bit of oil inside the filter here. Put a little oil around the gasket right here. And then we're going to put it right back on the inside. Once we're done with that, we're going to put the oil cap right back in there. Or the oil filter, not the oil cap. Sorry about that. Alright, so let's see. Put it right back in there. Now you don't need to over tighten these. Some of you guys might like to over tighten it, but I just like to hand tighten it, and then you should be good to go. Now I am going to wipe down all the oil that's in here that spilt when I removed the filter, but there you go. So that's it. All right, so this is what I'm going with right here. Of course, I'm using Motorcraft for everything, so I went with the Motorcraft oil filter. That part number is FL500S, and then I'm going with Motorcraft full synthetic blend, 5-weight 20. Now I did used to use 5-weight 30, but I believe Ford came out recently, or not recently, it came out, I don't know, I think it came out a couple of months back, stating that start using the 5-weight 20. So this is what I've been using right here. So we're just going to fill it up right in there, and then we'll go for there. Alright, so just poured in all 6 quarts. Now this truck does take 7. But the last couple of times I've been noticing when I put 7 quarts in, I'm getting a lot of smoke out the back end of out of my exhaust there. So this time I went with 6, and we're gonna see how it does. But now I'm gonna just put the cap back on, tighten it up, make sure everything's back on, check underneath for any leaks. See if I can get this cap on. Let me switch side. All right, there we go. Alright, we're going to check for any leaks. And I am going to be checking this catch can again. I know we just checked it the other day, but let's see where we're at, if I can loosen it. That sucker's on there pretty tight. Oh well, we'll check it later. My hands are all oily. You can see right there I'm leaving oil all over it. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys how to reset your oil life inside. Alright, here we go. So we're inside the truck. I'm just going to go ahead and fire it up. There we go. We got the check engine light on again. So let me put some light on for you guys. Alright, so we're going to clear this out. We're going to press... Okay, let me get the light on. Let me lower this music before I get copyrighted or something. Okay, so right here on the dash, it says engine oil. So you're gonna press OK over here. Still got engine oil. Press OK again. And then we are gonna go into, we're gonna scroll right here. We're gonna come out of this. We're going to go into, I believe it is, let me turn that light off. I got a glare. We're going to go into, is it settings? No, I don't think it's settings. Information. It's going to tell me System check, 2 warnings. One's my tire pressure because I do not have my TPMSs inside these tires. Engine, there we go, right there. Oil. Okay, doors, brakes, fuel level. So give me a second, let me find it real quick. Let's go into settings. System reset. We don't want a system reset. Nope. It's not fuel economy. It's not gauge mode either. That's not my key. Okay. Okay. Doors, brakes, fuel level. Maybe the truck needs to be off for me to check this. Let me turn it off real quick. Damn, who would have thought it would have been this hard? Do this shit all the time, but man. Alright, let's see. Information. Okay. What the hell? Maybe this one's it. Oil life reset. There we go. Okay. So, from here, you're going to go into settings. Then you're going to go down to vehicle. Then you're going to go down to... Shit, did I just fuck it up again? Excuse my language. Oil life. All right, there we go. So, we're going to reset it. What you're going to do is you're going to hold down the OK button. So, let's set it to 100. So, let's click that and hold that. You can see it resetting down at the bottom. Oil life set to 100. All right, there we go. Wipers, courtesy wipe. On. I don't think that ever works, that courtesy wipe. I've never seen it. But then let's go back to where we want to be. I could either go here or there. This is the one I leave it on. All right, let's fire it up. Oh, I think I saw a check system warning light on or something. I'm gonna have to go back. If you guys saw that, let me know. I'm gonna have to go back to this video and see what it said. Yeah, everything's on. The tune's on. Gauge reading 13.9. All right, so there we go. All right, TubeU. So there you go, man. Sorry about today's video, man. I wasn't planning on doing the oil change on my truck, although it had to be done. Today's video was supposed to be a different video. Today was going to be the install of the 302 Boss intake manifold. So I know I've been talking about it for a while, so finally pulled the trigger on it. Supposed to be in today. Didn't come in today. I don't know if it was the rain or whatnot, but the carrier is not FedEx, so thank God. But nonetheless, man, so hopefully tomorrow on my last day, I'll be bringing you something good to look at, because after these 30 days, man, I'm going to take a little break, and you know, I think I've earned it and whatnot. But nonetheless, man, I just want to thank you guys for staying down with me, checking out the videos, commenting down below and stuff like that. You know, I get back to everybody's comments, man, and some of the feedback I've been getting from you guys, man, it's been really, really great, man, and you know, it's giving me the confidence and stuff like that. It's good to know that somebody's actually looking at the videos and you know, learning from it or doing the same mods and stuff like that. And that's what this channel is all about. That's why I created this channel, man, because I like modding out my cars and stuff like that. And if I can help you out, if you're thinking about purchasing something and you're kind of skeptical on pulling the trigger, well, you can look at my videos and hopefully I got those and learn from my my do's and don'ts. But nonetheless, man, I just want to give a big shout out to you guys tuning into the channel. This is y'all's channel, so just to be clear on that, you know, I do this for you guys, and but nonetheless, man, I enjoy doing it. But I just want to thank you guys for tuning in the channel, smashing that like button, and leaving me comments down below. But nonetheless, it's your boy Coyote Mike, day 29 on my 30-day YouTube challenge. That's right, TubeU. So I got one more day, and then we'll make it through it. So hopefully tomorrow I'll be doing the install of the 302 Boss intake manifold. So I'm going to give you guys a breakdown of that, changing out or pulling out the gas lines and stuff like that. But so here we are, day 29 on my 30-day YouTube challenge. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification, and smash that like button. It really, really helps out our channel, man. Nonetheless, it's your boy, Coyote Mike. We'll see you tomorrow on my 30-day YouTube challenge.